And Tongko Michi Isabel C. with high honors. Subject Excellence Awardee, Gold in Mother Tongue, Filipino, English, Math, Science, Araling Panlipunan, and MAPE. School Spirit Awardee, Bultrisa Science, and also a recipient of Grace of Shekinah School Scholarship Program for the school year 2024-2025. Thank you and congratulations, Grade 3 Courage. Now, let us proceed to Grade 3 Modesty pupils under the supervision of Mrs. Marley Clemente. They are arranged in alphabetical order. To start with, Diaz Miguel Montin A. with high honors. Subject Excellence Awardee, Gold in Mother Tongue, Filipino, English, Math, Science, and Araling Panlipunan. Silver in MAPE. School Spirit Awardee,